Hey everyone! In today's video, I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called BZ. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about BZ and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. Now, the first question to ponder upon is why BZ? Well, BZ is the simplest platform to use when forming and managing an LLC in Texas. BZ completes the entire LLC process, even at home, without any need of expensive legal fees and paperwork. So, to start forming your LLC in Texas, click the link below to sign up. This isn't a sponsored video, but simply a tutorial on how you can start an LLC. So if you want to sign up on BZ and get started, head down to the description below to find a link for BZ. From there, you can just simply go into Form Your Free LLC. Once you click on over here, you can proceed with your LLC registration. The first thing you have to do is select your entity type, which for us is a limited liability company. Then after that, you're going to choose your state, which is Texas. So simply scroll down and you're going to find the relevant state over here. Once you are done, you get to choose from different packages. Now, all of these packages allow you to start your LLC, but of course, the higher tiers have more features that might be beneficial depending upon your needs. Starting from the silver package, you won't be paying anything except the basic state fees. However, you are going to have to pay your basic filling fee, which is going to be dependent on your particular state. So for Texas, it might be a particular fee designated by the state of Texas. This package gets your free registered agent for a full year for only $0. You only need to pay your state fee. Now, with the silver package, you have preparing and the filing of your articles of organization and also a statement of organizer, unlimited name searches. It also includes lifetime compliance alerts, as well as business banking account offers, business tax consultations, and online access dashboards and unlimited phone and email support. Now, if we move forward towards the gold package, you would need to pay $199 for the subscription plus your state fees. This package comes with extra add-ons such as an EIN business tax number, lifetime compliance alert, IRS forms, operating agreements, and more. Now, if we go on ahead and proceed with the gold package, all we have to do is click on select package. From there, you will be redirected to name your LLC. Now, over here, you have to enter your name. This has to comply with Texas's name requirements and designator. BZ automatically checks the availability of your chosen name, and you can choose an alternative if your name is not available. Now, below that, it will display your official company name. From here, you can also enter your industry keyword. So if there is a particular industry that you are working in, let's say retail, let's say all other merchandise retailers, home furnishing, clothing, art galleries, retailing art. So you can choose to enter your industry over here. Once you do that, your designator will be an LLC. Then click on next over here. Once you click on next, you have your state filing time. Normally it's 4 weeks, but it can be sped up to 8 days for a small fee of $50. For those not in a rush or out of budget, you can just proceed with the free option for $0 and then click on next. And you will also get an estimate of your total order summary on the right panel as you proceed with your registration of your Texas LLC. Now, over here, you have to enter details for the contact person in case they need additional info. So fill this out and then click on next. The next step is to enter the company's address info. If you want to keep your address private, even if you're not in the state, then choose a professional business address and a virtual mail service for an extra $30 per month. Otherwise, you can use your physical address in the state of Texas. Now, doing so will make the location of your LLC public when submitted to the IRS. It's a part of the process, so keep that in mind if you are using your own address for your LLC's address. And if you're fine with that, fill in your address info and then you can click on Next. However, if you do prefer a more private option, note that your real address will still be requested, only that it won't be publicly available. It's only for shipment purposes related to your order, so for that you do have to still input your address. Then you can click on Next over here. Once you're done adding your address, then you have to choose between the premium service packages. Now, you will see that different service packages have different things included, such as business contract templates, fast filing service, domain name and business email addresses, and more. You will see on the top that you have different checklists, and when you check out each individual option, you will have a new rate added. So your cost will vary depending on the different inclusions that you might want to include. So for business contract templates, they will run you up $150. For expedited filing, you have $50. And for your domain name and business email address, it would cost you $40. If you want, you can click on Get Upgrade and Bonus. And you can also skip this by clicking on No Thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. On the right, depending on the add-ons you have, your total will vary, and make sure that you pay close attention to this summary to know exactly what you are paying for. Once done, click on Upgrade and Bonus or to proceed with No Thanks. And then select how many members or owners there are of your LLC, and then enter some details about the members of your business. So this can either be an individual or a company, and you can just enter their information over here and then click on Next. Now, once you have completed this, it's time to appoint a registered agent. It is required to have a registered agent in Texas, and with Beezy, you can appoint a registered agent service for free up to 1 full year. Now, you can also appoint yourself or hire someone to be your registered agent by clicking on the secondary option. So proceed with the one that you prefer and then click on Next. After that, you will be prompted to enter your EIN or tax number. This will be assigned to you by the IRS. For foreign individuals with no tax information, you can go on ahead and click on Yes. Otherwise, you do have to provide your SS number with your first and last name. After that, you have to just complete your information, and then you have to add your physical street address. Then click on Next. Now, in the next step, you will be prompted to provide your business banking. A great option for those who have and want a separate banking account for their business, and it is something that most businesses already do have inquired about. If you want to wish to proceed with this new banking, click on Yes, I'm interested, or you can also click on Ask Me Later to later on find out more about their separated banking. Then you'd be prompted to opt for a free consultation with Beezy. This is absolutely free and you can be interested and receive this consultation, or if you want, you can also choose that you are not interested at the time. They give you a brief walkthrough on what exactly entails a LLC filing, and you can learn quite a lot with this free consultation. And just like that, finally, you will be taken to the last step where you can review your order. Double check everything from the information info, contact info, all of your business info. You will see that no thanks, you can also proceed with this work by yourself or identify all the licenses that you will need and be sent all the relevant applications. Now, if you want, just click on Next over here, and once you have confirmed that all of your information is correct, you can click on Next once more. Check your order summary, and then after that, enter your billing information, and that is all you have to do to create your own LLC in Texas. So, as you guys can see, with the help of Beezy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. So, if you want to sign up on Beezy and get started, head down to the description below to find the link for Beezy. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.